They learn kind of a little bit of everything in manufacturing. We learn CNC mill, CNC lathe, so machine work, and we kind of get into the fundamentals of stuff with electrical, hydraulics, pneumatics, and mechanical, so they understand the foundations of everything around it and why things work the way they do.
I chose this program to learn new things like welding and machining and milling because it all interested me. All my cousins have welded in other classes at different schools, and they always showed me their welds, and it always really interested me, so I wanted to do it too. Welding is definitely my favorite part. The trebuchet is my favorite project that we've done. It's a competition that we do almost every year.
Oh yeah, I got kids that they care about this class and they keep their grades up so they can keep this class versus having to retake another class or do credit recovery, because this is the class that they like.
This is the only reason why I come to school. Like, I'm either thinking of just joining the union and working in construction, or either becoming a welder or something. Just something that I can work with my hands. Usually we'll have everyone working on one thing. So I'll be working on the roof, and we'll have the rest of the class working on the siding of the walls. But we all work on everything. Portable saws, hammers, obviously, drills, basic construction tools.
Start by taking some of the pieces of metal up there.
Teachers are great. They support me through anything. If I need help with other classes, they'll always help me. Taught me everything I know in this class.
Everyone needs these kind of guys. They need people that do maintenance. They need people to work on equipment, to do CNC stuff. Sometimes they do have to start at kind of the bottom and work their way up. But when they look at it in the long run, it's a really good job and good career.